to show you guys how to make the best cookie dough iced latte you have ever tasted. These are going to be iced, but you can also make them hot. You just don't have to add the ice. These jars are a little bit smaller than what I would actually use, but I'm just going to do a little bit less ice, so it's going to be the exact same quantity. Next, I'm going to be using whole milk for the base. I have always used whole milk. You can use whatever kind of milk that you want. You can do almond milk, you can do 2% milk, you can do whatever you want. It'll work. And I'm just going to do about halfway, I want to say. And then the star of the show is going to be our Chobani coffee creamer. This is cookie dough. I've had this literally for weeks. It smells and tastes just fine. And I'm going to do about that much. Next thing that we're going to be doing is making our espresso. Now, you can kind of do this however you want. Some people have espresso machines. Some people do the instant espresso, which is exactly what I'm going to be doing. I've used this forever now. I did get the blonde one this time instead of the intense one, so we're going to be trying that out for the first time, but I know they're going to have a very similar taste, so I'm not too worried about it. I do 1 teaspoon of instant espresso, and then that's going to be paired with 2 ounces of water. And then I'm just going to be doing a squirt of white chocolate into the jar that we're going to be mixing our espresso. And then I'm going to give it a good mix. And then we're going to pour that into our first coffee. And then the exact same thing in here. We're just going to froth it up, and then we're going to add it to our coffee. And that is how you make the perfect iced cookie dough latte.